What do you think is the best Eric Clapton song? One of the things we haven't mentioned so far is the importance of lyrics and maybe meaning of the song and what it represents. So in that sense, Tears in Heaven.
Well, the story behind that is heartbreaking.
And then I personally really love the sound of Wonderful Tonight.
That's a great song. That's one of my favorite Clapton songs.
And as I was like listening to it, just doing a whole personal journey introspection, knowing that I'm going to talk to Rick Beato, I was listening to just a bunch of songs. And I learned, it's embarrassing that I didn't know the stories behind the music, but I learned that Eric Clapton was married for a decade to the same woman that George Harrison was married to, and that this woman was the muse, the inspiration for like so many of the legendary songs of rock, including Wonderful Tonight, including Layla, and including George Harrison's Something.
Yeah.
Legendary song also. The same woman. Is she the greatest muse in rock history?
Probably, yes.
This is great.